If you're thinking about using Dameware remote support, there are 12 key things you need to know before buying. This tool is popular for remote IT support, but how does it stack up against its competitors? Let's dive into what you should consider before making your decision. First thing, pricing. Dameware remote support isn't the cheapest option out there, but it offers a variety of pricing models. It's available through annual licenses or a one-time purchase, depending on how you want to manage costs. This flexibility can be a plus, but when compared to tools like TeamViewer or AnyDesk, it's worth noting that you might pay more for similar features. Next thing, deployment options. Dameware supports both on-premise and cloud deployments. This makes it versatile for different types of businesses. However, cloud-based solutions like LogMeIn are typically easier to set up and more scalable without needing in-house infrastructure. The third thing to consider is performance. Dameware is known for fast, secure connections, even with remote offices or distant locations. But compared to competitors like ConnectWise Control, it can sometimes feel a little slower when accessing devices on slower networks. That's something you should weigh, especially if you're in a high-demand environment. The fourth thing, multi-platform support. Dameware works on both Windows and Linux, which is fantastic for cross-platform teams. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't have native support for macOS as robustly as some competitors, like TeamViewer or AnyDesk, which could be a deal breaker if you're managing a lot of Apple devices. Next, security. Dameware comes with strong encryption and two-factor authentication, which are essential for remote access. Still, tools like Remote PC offer even more advanced security features, such as endpoint protection, which some businesses might prefer if security is a top priority. The sixth thing is ease of use. Dameware is feature-packed, but can sometimes feel overwhelming to new users. Compared to more intuitive options like AnyDesk, which is designed to be user-friendly, it might take a bit longer to get familiar with Dameware's interface. Next, integrations. Dameware offers integrations with Active Directory and can sync with existing IT infrastructures. But if you rely heavily on specific CRM or help desk systems, you might find competitors like ConnectWise Control offer deeper integrations out of the box. The eighth thing is mobile support. Dameware has mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing you to remotely support your team. However, it's not as seamless or feature-rich as other tools like TeamViewer, which gives you a smoother experience on mobile devices, especially when you need to provide support on the go. Ninth, customization options. Dameware allows for a fair amount of customization, like branding and settings adjustments. However, it doesn't quite match the depth of customizability found in software like LogMeIn, which offers more control over user settings and permissions. The 10th thing to know is customer support. While Dameware's support team is responsive, some users have reported slower response times compared to other options like AnyDesk, which is known for quick customer service. This could be important if you need fast support during critical moments. 11th, scalability. Dameware works well for small businesses, but as your team grows, managing licenses and deployment might get more complex. Larger organizations might find that more scalable solutions like ConnectWise or TeamViewer are better suited for their needs. Lastly, customer reviews. Dameware generally gets positive reviews for its reliability and performance. Still, many users mention the steep learning curve and its slightly outdated interface. If you want something more modern and easier to navigate, you might want to consider other options like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Overall, Dameware remote support is a solid choice for businesses looking for remote IT support, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a better option that combines user-friendliness, robust features, and flexibility, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free to see if it fits your needs.